Asus announced the all-new ZenBook 14, a 14-inch ultra-portable laptop now packed with more power and speed, advancing productivity and creativity wherever, whenever. Known for its stunning design and portability, the all-new Asus ZenBook 14 now comes in an incredible 2.8K resolution QHD display, making still and moving images brighter and more alive. With 1.7 times more pixels than the full HD panels, the all-new ZenBook 14 delivers smooth picture and video quality of up to 300 nits of brightness. The QHD display is made more power efficient, so the battery life is not compromised. The laptop comes pre-installed with genuine Windows and Office Home and Student 2019, a ZenBook sleeve, USB-A to RJ 45GB Ethernet adapter, and a USB-C to audio jack adapter. It is available today in Asus concept stores and Asus official Lazada store for $64,995.